Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Dazzle Diva for those who don't know me. And today I will be getting ready for Halloween and I'll be dressing up as Sleeping Beauty. So I'm going to start by putting on my contact lenses. These are blue-eyed contact lenses, by the way. So these are my blue-eyed contact lenses, and it's because Sleeping Beauty has blue eyes. Okay, so now that my contacts are in, I'm going to put on toner all over my face. I'm also going to put this Baby Lips lip gloss on my lips so then my lips are nice and soft. I'm also going to moisturize my face with Vitamin C Moisturizing Cream. To be happy forever, I know. Someday. So now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm going to use this Mary Kay eyebrow pencil, which I've had for a very long time. And then I'm going to fill it in as well with this brown eyeshadow powder. I'm also going to use this eyebrow pencil to fill in my eyebrows a little bit more. Great, so now I have eyebrows. Then I'm going to put this on in my eyeliner area before putting on my eyeliner so that in between the eyelashes it's filled in. And now I'm going to put on my liquid eyeliner. Now I'm going to put on my Elizabeth Arden eyeshadow primer. And now I'll be using pink eyeshadow. I'll also be putting on some glitter on my eyelids. And now I'm going to reapply my eyeliner. Now I'm just going to brush my eyelashes before curling them with this curler. And now I'll be putting on my mascara. And now I will be putting on my foundation. And now I'm going to powder my face and put on my blush. I totally forgot to put the eyeliner on my waterlines. Alright, there we go. Now I'm going to highlight under my eyebrows. I'm also going to add some white eyeshadow in some areas. And now for the finishing touches, my lipstick and the lip gloss. And now my makeup is complete. So as you can see, I have my second ear piercings on, and now I'm going to put these earrings on my first ear piercings. And for my hair, I am going to take my hair out of this braid. So what I am going to do is I'm going to do a waterfall braid on each side. Okay, so I totally forgot that I should do this before putting on my lip gloss, so I'll just do it like this. This should do. And the reason is because my mouth would be holding down my hair when I'm doing my waterfall braid, and I don't want lip gloss all over my hair, so that's why I'll just wing it like this. So the very last thing I would have to do is put on the actual costume.
Someday my prince will come, someday we'll meet again, and away to his castle we'll go, to be happy forever.
Totally almost forgot the crown.
Spring is here, we'll find our love anew, and the birds will sing and wedding bells will ring. Someday when my dreams come.
So yeah, this is my Sleeping Beauty aka Princess Aurora costume. So subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Bye!